I'm making some lovely food for us to enjoy, starting with citrus shrimp nachos. These are nothing like regular Tex-Mex nachos. They're cool and crisp and flavorful, and I love them. I've got some cooked shrimp that I bought at the supermarket. The tails were off. They were already peeled. Now that is my kind of cooking right there. I'm just chopping them into little bits, and that looks great. So this goes into a bowl. I'm gonna marinate the shrimp, and it's gonna make it super flavorful for the nachos. Now, of course, I've gotta add a bunch of other stuff. I have some diced jicama, which is like a Mexican turnip. I don't use jicama very often, but it is so cool and refreshing and crisp. I love it. I'm also adding some diced mango. You can use fresh mango, or you can buy the mango in jars. It's a little bit sweeter. I really like that mango, especially for mango margaritas. I'm adding some sliced green onion and jarred pimento, super simple ingredient. You can also use diced red bell pepper, and then some cilantro leaves. All right, so that's the shrimp mixture. Now I'm gonna make the marinade, which is really easy. It's just half a cup of olive oil. And to the olive oil, I'll add a couple of tablespoons of honey, and then 2 citrus juices, some orange juice and lime juice. I also zested the lime before I juiced it with salt and pepper, and then green hot sauce, sometimes called jalapeno hot sauce. I'll pour this over the shrimp. I may not need all of this, so I can save what's left over for a salad tomorrow. It's a really nice dressing. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'll cover the bowl, and I'll get this into the fridge, and it'll marinate slowly until party time when I assemble the nachos. So now I'll assemble the citrus shrimp nachos. I have some really nice tortilla chips. They're round. They're pretty substantial. You don't want to get a super thin chip. And I'm going to give this beautiful shrimp mixture a stir. So I'll get a spoonful of the mixture and pile it right on top. Then I have some crumbled cotija cheese, which is sort of a Mexican version of feta cheese. And I'll add a few crumbles. And then I'll grab a little cilantro leaf and put it on top. Gorgeous. So gorgeous, in fact. I'm gonna make a whole platter of these.